Efforts toward carbon neutrality are accelerating across the world to solve global issues such as global warming and the sustainability of resources and energy. We can achieve carbon neutrality via thorough CO2 emission reductions and carbon dioxide capture, utilization, and storage to reach net zero. As such, it's becoming increasingly important to use CO2, which used to be considered as waste, as a resource. At the Carbon Recycling Fund Institute, we view carbon recycling more broadly as material recycling worldwide, including the atmosphere, land, and oceans. The Carbon Recycling Fund Institute was founded on the initiative of the private sector to realize carbon recycling. We aim to build a sustainable carbon society to recycle carbon compounds, including CO2. We provide information and collaboration on carbon recycling through public relations, research grants, tree planting, and the like. Our activities help regional revitalization and international collaboration, stimulating industry. We work on educational activities and human resource development initiatives. We disseminate information in plain words for the general public and specialists alike. Our grants support the seeds of carbon recycling research. Research grants are given to researchers or researcher teams at businesses, universities, corporations, and other organizations that are trying to take up the challenge of creating innovation. We've received applications from many researchers and researcher teams, including startups, since we began. Many projects we supported have been selected as government-funded projects or joint research with companies, and proceeded to the next step toward social implementation. In 2023, we selected 14 programs in the general category and 2 programs in the startup category in a wide range of fields related to carbon recycling. We will continue to support research to address challenges facing carbon recycling. We must increase CO2 sinks, such as green and blue carbon, to achieve carbon neutrality. In light of this, the CRF established a tree planting fund in fiscal year 2023 to boost efforts to expand the scope of CO2 sinks. For example, we have engaged in considering the development of rules for CO2 sinks and activities to spread understanding of CO2 sinks by planting fast-growing trees with local communities and members. We also promote support for carbon recycling projects and the like. To establish CO2 value chains, we'll promote the creation of opportunities to implement carbon recycling technologies in society and specific projects together with local communities. We studied how to connect CO2 value chains in a locality for the first time in Takehara, Hiroshima. Participants, including CRF members, local government, and research institutes, examined how carbon recycling can contribute to local rejuvenation together with local companies. Our members include companies, individuals, local governments, and academic institutions. We provide information and collaboration for cross-industry interactions. As a hub for cross-industry collaboration, we promote endeavors that lead to innovation. Many initiatives to implement carbon recycling technologies throughout society have started. We'll continue to contribute to realizing a sustainable carbon system, mainly through carbon recycling.